Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah.
Okay, you guys, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Kisslove Hair. Shout out to you, Kisslove, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with this company, but I have worked with their sister company, Ashmary Hair, a bunch of times, so I was okay, and I wasn't worried about starting to work with a new company. All right, so the unit that I am rocking is a deep wave 5x5 transparent lace wig. It is 22 inches long and 180% density. Now, I will say this, I have been seeing lately that a lot of my deep wave units are looking loose wave to me. Is it me, y'all? Like, am I tripping, or like have I been confusing deep wave and loose wave? Y'all let me know, okay? Okay, y'all, so they sent me the wrong link. I will check on that with the company. So I don't have the direct link to go on the site, and I don't want to give y'all any wrong information. But like I said, they did send me the information, and it is a deep wave unit. It is a 5x5 closure, transparent lace wig. It is 22 inches and 180% density. So those are all the specs on this wig that I have right now. But definitely check the link down below. I will have it down below for you guys to click and go directly to the site. And if y'all can hear, that beeping, it is my smoke detector, but the battery isn't dead. So my boyfriend was like, he think I need to dust it or something. I don't know, child. He'll do that later. He'll do that later. So try to just not mind it. It'll be handled hopefully soon. But anyway, so with this unit is a closure. And if you know me, you know your girl love a closure because I'm lazy, child. I did not have to tweeze this closure whatsoever. Oh, girl woke up like this. Okay? She woke up like this.
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
Now, granted, I did bleach the knots. I didn't necessarily feel like it was necessary, but I am on that kick, so I was like, let me do it. The knots weren't terrible. They were visible, but they weren't terrible. I feel like it's something that you still would be able to conceal with either one of those like WIG concealer things, the grid perfect line thing. I do have a direct link to that. Or you can just use your makeup. I think you will still be able to conceal it. The lace is transparent, but I do have this mousse that I am loving, which is the Kafoom lace melt mousse, and I have it in the caramel, and I am planning on adding that down below in the description box. Hopefully I'll remember, but you can get that from Amazon, and I just put it right right there, and it makes it brown. You know what I mean? Like that little part, it makes it blend in better and not be as light. So hopefully you guys noticed that at the beginning of the video. As far as shedding and tangling, it did not tangle. It did shed a little bit. It wasn't excessive. It is a wavy wig, so I expected a little tangling and a little shedding, but it really did not tangle. It did shed a little bit. It's not anything to write home about in my opinion, but I like to throw it out there so you can't come for me later and say I didn't tell you, because I told you, girl. Okay, I told you. And in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but I am an average cap size, so you can kind of do with that what you want to do with that, because I only have the head that's on my shoulders. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my con with this wig, I kind of struggle with finding a con. The only con that I could come up with is that, to me, the deep wave looks a little more loose wave, but honey, I ain't mad at that. I honestly prefer loose wave units, but I think if you're looking for a certain type, and honestly, it does curl up and wave a lot more when you wet it. I only use my curling mousse, so it's giving more of a poofy feel now, but if you use like a different sort of mousse and a spray to kind of hold that wet look, it does look a lot more wavy. So maybe I don't know, but if I just had to throw a con out there, y'all, okay, I always have to give you guys a con. That's the only one I can think of, and it's not a con to me, but it may be a con to somebody. I don't know. So yeah, that's my con. My pros are, first of all, it's a closure. Okay, girl, it's a closure. I love a closure. I also love how this lace just melted in. I love that for me. I love that it came pre-tweezed. I love that I feel like this unit is extremely big head friendly, and I also, once again, love the texture. Even though it seems like a different texture to me, I love that the texture that it is. I think the texture is everything, okay? So yeah, those are my pros. Okay, so yes, I would obviously recommend this unit. It's super beginner friendly. It's really, really nice looking. It's a gorgeous unit. I personally would recommend this wig, like, for all the pros that I listed. That's why I would recommend it. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am really, really feeling this unit. I think it is gorgeous. It's a look, it's a vibe, it is all of the things. So once again, shout out to you, Kisslove, for sending it and sponsoring this video. Y'all can let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. If you are loving it as much as I am, I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Y'all hear Journey Brown. She in the bathroom, still doing my thing. Bye, y'all.
Weekly.